Namaste. It's me Lokendra Saul, mathematics teacher. Okay, first of all, I want to welcome you all. Welcome, children. And today I am going to teach you how to find the intersection of sets. And it will be taught with the Venn diagrams also. And how to draw Venn diagrams, okay? It will be also taught in this video. Now let's start with the first slide. Introduction, okay, first of all. The intersection of sets is the common elements of the given sets. Example, set A, ABC, and set B, C, D, E. Then A intersection B equals to A, B, C, right? First of all, and intersection C, D, E. And what is common in these two sets? There is C only, right here. Okay. Here, A intersection B is A intersection B. When we find the common elements, it is a new set with elements belonging to both sets A and B. Okay, let's move to end the slide. How to find out this slide? Okay, one, intersection of overlapping sets. Here universal set is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Set A 1 2 3 4 5, set B 2 4 6 8. Then A intersection B, right? Set elements of set A intersection the elements of set B, and from these two sets 2 4 2 4 is common, and right here 2 4. It means we have to select the common elements only that represents A intersection B. And how to show them in Venn diagram? Look, first of all, draw here this universal set, okay, rectangular box, and inside this these two sets are overlapping set. Draw overlapping set here, set A and set B. And first let's put the elements, okay, from this common part. 2 4 is common elements, and what are remaining here? 1 3 5 is remaining in A, because from this 1 2 3 4 5, 2 4 already gone, then 1 3 5 is left, right here left one, and 2 4 are gone from B, then right here 6 8, okay. And what are remaining in universal set? Write them outside, okay, outside the set. And this part is shaded, 2 4 is shaded, that represents A intersection B, okay, 2 comma 4. The shaded part is A intersection B. Now let's move to next slide. And here, intersection of the disjointed. How to find intersection of disjointed? Look here. Universal set A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, okay. And set A, A, E, I, set B, C, D, F, G. Then A intersection B equals to elements of A, A, E, I, intersection elements of B, C, D, F, G. And there is no common in these two sets. That's why empty set here. And draw here a rectangular box. This universal set, and this is set A, AEI, and this set B, C, D, F, G. And what are remaining universal set? B and S, because A, yeah, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay, I is up to I. There's universal set. And what are remaining in universal set? They should be written outside here. Okay, and there is no common element. That's why it is empty set. A intersection B equals to empty set. Okay, empty set is there. That's why nothing to be said here. Now go to next slide. Okay, let's go to next slide. Okay, here 3. Okay, intersection of subsets, and how to find out the intersection of subset. Look here. Here universal set is x, so that x is natural number less than 11. That means universal set is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and set A is 1 2 3 4, and set B is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That means set A is the subset of set B, because all the elements of A lies in set B. That's why A is the subset of set B. And in such case, how to find out the intersection, how to draw a Venn diagram? It's shown here. A intersection B means that A, elements of A, 1 2 3 4. This is should be intersection. Okay, here again, here come universal sign. Okay, it must be intersection symbol. A intersection B. A, this B is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And when you find the common of 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 is common, right here 1 2 3 4, and right here shaded region is what? A intersection B. This is A, all elements of A, 1 2 3 4. Okay, and elements of B, what are there? 1 2 3 4, and what are the 5 6 7, and these all are the elements of set B. Elements of set A lies in elements of set B. Okay, and what are remaining in universal set then? 10 and 8, and there is 9 also. Okay, 9, 8, 10 remaining, write them outside. And this shaded part is A intersection B. Okay, and similarly, now next one, look here. Let's go to next slide. And how to find out the intersection of equal sets. Look here. Here universe set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and set B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These both the sets are A and B are equal sets. In such case, how to find intersection? Look here. Now A intersection B equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 intersection 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what will be their intersection? The common elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And right here, blue shaded region is A intersection B, because this set represents set A also, set B also. That's why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the common part of that. And what are remaining in inverse set? 6 and 7. 6 and 7 right outside. This is A intersection B. A intersection B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the way to draw the Venn diagram of A intersection B when those sets are equal sets. Let's move to the next slide. Okay, these are the examples. Look here. Universal set is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, you can write here solution. And set A is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. And set B is what there? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Then how to find A intersection B? Now write A intersection B equals to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 intersection and 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. And what is common here? 2, this, there is no 2 common. There is 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 11. 3, 5, 7, 11 is common. Write here common one. And when you draw the Venn diagram, draw a set A and set B. Write here common elements 3, 5, 7, 11. And 2 is remaining here right here. And 1 and remaining here, right? And what are remaining universal set right outside the set A and B? Okay, here. These are the remaining of universal set. And this shaded part is 3, 5, 7, 9. This is A intersection B is shaded. This shaded part is A intersection B. Okay, like this we have to find out the intersection and shade the region which represents A intersection B. Let's move to next question. Here, universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Set A is 2, 3, 5, 7. Set B is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Find A intersection B and show them in a Venn diagram. And universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And set A is what? 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. B 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And asking question to find A intersection B because what? Now A intersection B goes right. Set A 2, 3, 5, 7. Set intersection, then set B 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And what is common in these two? 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7 common. Write the answer here 3, 5, 7. And when you draw the Venn diagram, write a set A. This is 2, 3, 5, 7. Here set B 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And among them 3, 5, 7 is common. That's why it is shaded here. This shaded part represents A intersection B. 3, 5, 7 here and 2 remaining in A. And 3, 5, 7 here, 1, 9 remaining in B. And what are remaining universals right outside? That is 4, 6, 8, 10 are remaining. Write them outside. Then you can check altogether there are universals or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, here is 9, and here is 10. This altogether there are 1, 2, 10. That represents universal set. And this shaded part is A intersection B. Don't forget to write this. A intersection B is shaded. Like this we have to find out. Okay, now let's move to another. And here I have told you where one symbol was mistake. We have to correct it. Okay, here is one. Okay, here must be the symbol of intersection. Okay, let's go to home and let's go to symbol 1. And we can copy also from here, no problem here. Okay, this copy and we can put here and paste it. And there must be intersection. Then we can find out 1, 2, 3, 4 intersection 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. That is common one here. That is the method to find the intersection of subsets. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 is the common of these two sets. We can save it. Okay. Okay, for this much only. Thank you very much, and please keep on practicing, because practice makes the strength perfect. Don't forget this.